Hi, today I'm going to teach you how you can make money with Temu. Now, the method we're going to be using is going to be called a Temu affiliate program. Now, if you don't know what an affiliate program is, you can just search up Temu affiliate program and click on this website. Now, basically, an affiliate is a influencer of some kind, but basically they're ads agent, right? Now, the thing you do is that you sign up for this program, you'll get a link, and when someone clicks that link, they'll be redirected to a product they want. So, for example, you're sharing a link for a shirt. Now, if someone buys that shirt with your link, you'll get a kickback from it, right? So, you can earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer, just what it says here. So, basically, well, you're their promoter, right? And if you want to sign up for the affiliate and influencer program, you can go to this website or just search up Temu affiliate like I did earlier. Now, you can see there's a $3 new user gift award even, so you can claim it there. Now, if you want to join, you can click on join now here. Now you can see that authorized influencer get a 5 to 20% commission. So if someone buys a shirt for $20, you'll get a 20% commission from it, which is about $4, right? So not bad. You can also get an abundance of credits and user download bonuses. So even if someone downloads the Temu app from your link, you'll get bonuses as well. Now you can see there's also organization or just as a standard members as well. You can see there's a lot of options here. But if you want to join now, just click on this button to join now here. And then, of course, you'll have to sign in with your current Temu account. But I do think that some Temu account can't sign up because of their region or some other invincible qualification that Temu gives to them. But there's, of course, no issue as long as you try. So if you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.